We are bringing a lot of new people into the Linux fold.
By putting Linux into the retail, we're spreading the word, we're helping more people experience it.
And they can play around with it, they can see what it's all about.
Of all the flavors of Linux in the market, one stands out: Macmillan's Mandrake distribution. It was the editor's choice for Product of the Year at this year's Linux World. Macmillan's Mandrake was praised for one thing in particular: its breadth. The editors called it, quote, the distribution destined to please almost everyone.
The benefit that Macmillan brings to the software is bundling of the pieces together to help the end user get from where they are to being productive with Linux. For example, in the starter kit, we offer the Complete Idiot's Guide, which takes them from cradle to grave, really, with Linux.
For the more experienced user, right out of the box, they've got Apache Server, they've got productivity apps, they've got the KDE and GNOME graphical user interfaces. Everything that they're used to will be there for them.
Macmillan has given to the Linux community broad distribution. You've seen Linux in places that, that you might not otherwise have seen Linux. You've seen it in Best Buy and Costco and CompUSA in very broadly marketed ways.
The more base users, the more pressure there'll be for application vendors to port their applications to Linux. The more pressure will be on corporations to adopt Linux as a desktop choice, put it in their server farms and so forth.
It's important to note that we go back to Linux almost to its roots, to producing books based on the first Linux distributions, to our current state of producing probably the largest group of software, books, and internet offerings based on Linux available.
We tested the Macmillan offering side by side with several competitor products. One, it's less expensive, and two, Macmillan adds a lot of documentation, and they're able to leverage the fact that they're one of the largest computer book publishers there are. So you get a lot for your money.
Our goal is really to be the one-stop shop for Linux. So whether you're looking for the operating system itself, applications, databases, utilities, games, books and electronic books, we really want to be all things Linux.
It bears noting that Macmillan's Mandrake distribution also won the Editor's Choice Award for server distribution. It's yet another reason that Macmillan USA is the place for Linux. I'm Angela Wethington, and thanks for watching.
For a limited time, register to win the Complete Linux Operating System 6.5 by visiting www.placeforlinux.com or dialing toll-free 877-PLC-4-LNX.